the very first thing we're going to do, guys, the work together 3-1 only has 2 transactions for us to do. So the first one is on April 1st. We're going to receive cash from the owner as an investment of $1,500, and R1 is the source document. Okay? So first thing we're going to do, we do April 1st. Yep. Yeah, because you don't have room for the whole month name in there. Okay, we receive cash from the owner as an investment. So what 2 accounts are going to be affected? Cash and owner's equity, but we call that capital. All right, cash has its own column, right? It's got its own special amount columns. So the account title that we're going to put over here, our owner is Norm Derner. So we're going to do Norm Derner, comma, capital. The source document or document number is R1. It's at the end of the transaction in the book. Yeah, they should always give you the document number. And then, so since this is the general account that we're dealing with, we're gonna do the general debit and the general credit. So would we debit or credit capital? We're gonna credit capital $1,500. So we're gonna do 1500, and then now we're gonna start doing the cents. And both of the cents fit in this last column. So 2 little zeros. Okay, and then cash, is that going to be debited or credited? Debited. So we have 1500 and then 2 little zeros for our cents. We do not do anything with a posting reference for now. We will do that in a few chapters. Okay. The next transaction took place on April 2nd. Now, we don't have to write April again. We can just write a 2. So you only need to write the month if you're starting a new page or if you're starting a new month. Other than that, we assume that you've stayed on the same month. So on April 2nd, we paid cash for supplies of $375, and our document number is C1. So what 2 accounts are going to be affected? Cash and supplies. Cash has its own, but supplies does not. So supplies goes on the line. Document number is C1 for check 1. R1 is receipt 1. And then is supplies debited or credited $375? Debited. So 375, 00. And then cash, is it going to be debited or credited? Credited. All right, now the only other thing that we have to do is if you look below the 2 transactions, it says journalize each transaction completed in April, the current year. So we did that. And then it says use page 1 of the journal. So up here where it says page, we need to make sure we write a 1. Okay? Let's stop there. We'll do 3-2, 3-3, 3-4 on Monday.